everyone. My name is Harjot Singh. I am a participant in the 12th case study workshop being held at IIM Calcutta.
I'm Dr. Unesh Garg. I belong to IIM Thapar School of Management, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala.
Hi, I'm Smita Ramkrishna. I'm a faculty with KJ Somaya Institute of Management. I'm an associate professor.
I'm Dr. Neha Gupta, Associate Professor Marketing from KJ Somaya Institute of Management.
I'm Brajesh Bolia from KJ Somaya Institute of Management, Mumbai.
I'm Tanushri Bhattacharjee from KJ Somaya Institute of Management.
I'm Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramni. I'm an Assistant Vice President at Intellect Design Arena. I'm also a Senior Faculty at the School of Design Thinking.
Delighted with the way the workshop is going on. There was a structured case form which was sent to us. We put in our idea in that case idea form, which has been shared with the resource person and also with the faculty at IIM Calcutta, and we are going to get feedback. We have already got feedback from the resource person, and the feedback from the faculty in IIM Calcutta will also be included. So with these inputs, we can get it published in reputed publishing houses like IB Publishing, Case Center, and also the repository at the Case Center IIM Calcutta.
A wonderful 2.5 days out here. The key objective for me to come here and attend the workshop is to get insights about writing the case, structuring it, and be able to publish successfully. So I think all these objectives were met. The entire, the way the entire program has been structured has been fantastic, and the ambience and hospitality provided by the case center here has been really good.
So this workshop has been instrumental in telling me, letting me know about what this case writing is all about, how to structure the case, how to write the narrative, how to understand the challenges being faced by protagonists, what exactly is the teaching notes.
Expectations that I had were many because I am not from academia per se or done a doctorate. Case writing is completely new, and thus absolutely new to this concept. I had come in with a lot of expectation. That said, I'm very happy to note that a lot of my initial doubts have been cleared.
The main aspect of case study writing was very well covered in detail with a lot of practical examples, that how it is going to be executed, and I'm very sure that we are going to execute that in terms of coming up with good publications and good journal. So thanks to the team and thanks to the facilitator.
Coming from an industry absolutely new to this concept of case writing and case methodologies, this has been a wonderful eye-opening session, and I really would like to thank the organization, IIMC, and other people for having made this a wonderful success. Thank you very much.